Hello, good morning everyone. It is Bertrand speaking. So today on board we are having week's 75 index. So we are going to start this price. We are going to break it from the higher time frame to the lower time frame until to the entry point where we can take this trade. So as we proceed, we are going to start our top down analysis like this way. So you can see from this it was first, it was from this point we were having this impulsive move to the upside. You can see always we were having big momentum to the upside. So see like one, two, three, four strong candles. So this what does it mean? It means that from this point we are having this kind of double tops. You see, this is the first top, and this is the second top, the second top. And remember, we have the daily time frame. So, but another confluence which we can add here is this one. We are having this kind of candlestick. It is a doji. What does it mean? This kind of candlestick, it means that buyers, buyers are holding power are not in control. So sellers are now in control. So you know this is the reversal pattern, which is double top. This is the first one, the second top. So and the second confluence, which is this reversal candlestick, which is a doji. So it gives us more confirmation to take this trade, finding for the selling opportunity. So let us proceed with H4 time frame. Okay, so I will tweak this so that I can have the good picture. So you think on this time frame, which is H4, we can identify that on this line, which we call it on the daily time frame, we had that kind of pattern which is double tops, and on this time frame, H4 time frame, we are having this kind of slim touches, which is triple top. So this is the first touch, the second one, the third one, which confirms us to give us more confidence to take this trade to the downside. So let us proceed, guys. What next is I'm going to start this price level, and we are going to discuss this kind of patterns. So let us find this way. I can see something like here. It's like triangle. Let me try to draw it from here. You can see that we're having this kind of pattern, which is descending descending channel, you see. So we are having this kind of pattern, which is descending channel. So after descending channel, from this point we can add this kind of, on this third touch we can have this kind of pattern, which is symmetric triangle. So see, so we know that this is the reversal. These are a reversal pattern, which is confirmed that the price is now taking a reversal. So let us continue on our our H1 TF. So after H4 TF, we are going direct to H1. So see, from this point now, I hope you can see it. You can see it in a good way. Let me tweak this. I will tweak this my trend line so that I can have the good picture. I will tweak again here from this point to this point. So this is the first, second, and the third one, which gives us more confidence to take this trade to the downside, like this way. So after identifying this price, I will take this. I will try to use my trend line to spot another pattern from this point. So you can see that the 99 low, which is this price, if we manage to break this impulsively like this one, or at this price, we manage to reach at this point, which we call it 99 low percent. So we're having high probability for this price to move until this price level 8035.42.49. So we know that when this price will manage to break this impulsive like this way, we're having 99% low that this price will reach at this point. As you can see, the price is dropping down now. So let us proceed. So we say let us proceed with 30 minutes time frame. So see, on this time frame, guys, we are having this kind of pattern, guys. You see, we don't need to discuss this, but we are looking for the current price. Let me show you, guys. So you see, when we remove this, I will adjust it later on so that I can teach you something here. So you see, this is the kind of tight flags we need. So you know, when you see this kind of flags are more accurate. So you see, when you take this trade, guys, so you see our entry will be here, then our stop loss there, our 99 low, 99 low, you see. Yeah, that is fine. So you see, I will remove this one and this one. So you see, so after having this kind of flag, guys, we understand that this it is possible. This price will move 99% up to this price level. So you see, simple analysis and accurate analysis on VIX 75. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to join the Telegram public channel also, there is a link below. Thank you for watching and welcome.